Halo guys, jumpa lagi guys. Oke guys, kali ini saya akan mencoba bermain cepat atau speedrun di game Batman Arkham City. Oke, langsung aja klik start ya. Oke, saya akan mencoba membuat save data baru di bagian paling bawah ya. Oke, new game. Difficulty-nya normal aja ya. Ini aja aku tambahkan pencahayaannya. Nah, klik start.
Look what I found.
Don't touch it, man. He'll kill you. How long till the boss gets here?
He'll be here.
Riley said he saw
Oke, kita lihat dulu
Is he here too?
cerita di awal.
Arkham City. Why would he come here? You guys just need to chill the hell out.
It's Batman!
Nah,
The hell?
Sorry to disappoint you, boys.
ada si Catwoman.
It's just little old me.
Oke,
This will be easy, freak.
aduh.
Your mommy won't know who you are when we're done.
Oke.
Now that they're all taken care of, it's time to get what I came for out of that safe. Try and get one over on me, will you, Harv? I don't think so.
Oke, kita menemukan semacam kartu nih. Park Row.
Get your filthy paws off that.
Terus, oh, kita ditolong senjata oleh seseorang namanya Two-Face.
Wake up, Miss.
Oke,
I feel I should thank you. Capturing Bruce Wayne is so much easier than Batman. And now that we have you, Protocol 10 is ready to begin. It will be my legacy.
namanya Hugo
Monument
Strange.
to your failure. And if you try to stop me, I guarantee everyone will know your secret.
Oke, jadi si Bruce Wayne ditahan di tempat ini guys. Kita goyang-goyang seperti ini biar bisa lolos ya. Lepas maksudnya.
What the hell are you doing?
Biar penjaga.
Hear you?
Hmm.
Help me! Making progress.
Oh, oh my God.
Welcome to Arkham City, Wayne. What are you doing? Kill your butt. You're gonna die. You're gonna be my bitch, Wayne. You're mine. On the ground.
Oke, jadi Bruce Wayne ini sedang berada di sebuah
What are you waiting for, Wayne?
rumah tahanan di sini guys.
Wait! You're in line A. Let's move it.
Oke, kita kesini ya.
Hey, wait. I hear penguins put a price on your head.
You two get out of the way. Wayne, get your ass up here.
I did. What's it to you?
Oke, beri aku jalan.
Bruce Wayne. Back his back. Come on.
Oke, oke, minggir.
Move up, prisoner. I said break it up.
Lower your weapons. Mr. Wayne will not be any trouble. Will you, Mr. Wayne? The cuffs can stay on. We don't want to make things too easy, do we?
Close the doors. Prepare for insertion.
I can't believe I'm gonna die here.
Bruce Wayne? Great.
Oke, Jack
Here I was
Ryder.
reporting on your crummy press conference, and now here we both are.
I guess that'll teach you to get involved in politics, won't it?
Jadi kita ditahan bersama Jack Ryder. Jack Ryder ini kalau nggak salah temannya Batman ya.
Panic. Stay close to me.
Do you think I'm taking advice from some guy who's never even been in a fight?
Stay calm.
Oke.
They're trying to scare us.
Terbuka pintunya.
It's every man for himself.
Wow, kita akan melawan narapidana di sini. Aduh, masih ternyata nih. Oke.
On your feet, Ryder. I said
Oke, kita akan selamatkan si Jack Ryder. Aduh, oh my god, dipukul guys kita dari belakang.
Lights out, rich boy.
Nah, tadi itu si Penguin ya, musuh kita juga. Nama lainnya kalau nggak salah Couplebot.
Wakey, wakey, Wayne.
Oke.
Oh, what's up? Do you need me to call you butler? Cobblepot. Oh, you
Couplebot.
remember me? I'm touched. Your family destroyed mine, Wayne. This, well, let's just call this good old-fashioned revenge.
Oke, kita tangkis.
Get him!
Oke, kita bertarung lagi.
Hurt him! Think he's broken my bloody hand! Get this gate open now!
Nah, sudah terlepas borgolnya ya. Sekarang kita sekarang sudah bebas.
Don't let him get away!
Oke. Oke. Nah, tersisa kau, cebol.
I need to get to higher ground and contact
Kita
Alfred.
kasih dia pukulan. Oke, sekarang kita lewat atas ya. Oke.
Alfred, have you got my location?
Only just, sir. There's more interference than usual.
I need an
Okay.
immediate drop on the roof of the Ace Chemicals building. I'm on my way there now.
Of
Kita tunggu
course.
dulu.
I watched your incarceration on the evening news. Was
Tunggu,
getting
tunggu,
yourself
tunggu.
arrested a part of your plan all along?
Not exactly. Although I did get some one-on-one time with Hugo Strange.
And how was that?
Not good.
Oke, lanjut.
He knows that Bruce Wayne is Batman. He also told me that something called Protocol 10 will make him famous. I can't leave Arkham City until I find out what it is.
Did it arrive, sir?
Oke. Nah, ini ada datang pesawatnya tadi Batman menjatuhkan kayak semacam kapsul ya. Jadi kita akan ke atas ya. Oke. Kita sudah menggunakan seragam Batman. Oke.
Alfred, I took an encryption key from a Tiger gun. I'm going to hack into their communications.
Kita lihat dulu. Nah, kita arahkan ke yang tanda kuning ya.
All units, this is Air Tiger 4.
Oke.
We have confirmation that prisoner 4011 is in the courthouse. I repeat, Catwoman is in the courthouse. Is she in danger?
Nah, nanti kita akan ke sini guys. Kita akan masuk ke dalam karena ceritanya si Catwoman lagi berada di dalam, ditahan ya. Kita akan mau membebaskan Catwoman
That doesn't sound good.
yang ditahan oleh si Two-Face.
Mr. Dent's predilection for all things binary may not bode well for Miss Kyle.
If there's one person in Arkham City who knows what's really going on, it's her. I need to find Catwoman now.
Oke. Langsung aja. Kita terbang menuju ke sana ya. Oke. Oke, situ banyak preman. Kita hajar aja mereka semua ya.
It's him! Come on! There's a fight going down!
Oke.
We'll make sure.
Oke deh. Sekarang kita akan masuk ke dalam. Jadi kita lewat atas ya. Oke. Ada banyak sekali orang di dalam sini guys. Nah, inilah dia musuh kita juga, namanya si Harvey alias Two-Face. Dulu dia teman kita guys, tapi di kemudian hari menjadi musuh ya, akibat sebuah peristiwa besar yang membuat dia wajahnya terbakar guys.
Bring out the defendant.
Nah, ini dia si Catwoman lagi digantung.
Hey, have you had some work done?
Beraninya cuma memukul wanita ini orang.
I'm sorry I've been a bad kitty. Untie me, and I'll make it up to you.
Let's see if the coin thinks you're telling the truth. This court is now in session.
Oke. Jadi kita harus cepat menyelamatkan si Catwoman karena dia mau dihukum mati ya.
Taking out the thug with the gun is the key. Without him, the rest of the room won't be a problem.
People of Arkham City, it's good to see so many new faces in the crowd.
Oke.
Fresh faces for the gang.
Ada banyak orang di bawah sana guys.
Today we present each of you with an exciting new opportunity.
Why the hell is he here? Run for your life!
Our friend Batman has arrived. Grab him and cut him in two.
Jadi kita nggak lawan mereka semua guys. Yang lainnya itu lari keluar ya. Nah, jadi cuma kita melawan berapa orang aja di sini. Oke. Hajar.
Are you just playing with me?
Oke. Ditembak.
Overruled. Heads or tails, kitty cat?
Which one lets me out of here alive?
Not this one. Time to die.
I vote for a stay of execution.
Jadi sebenarnya si Catwoman ini cuma pura-pura, guys.
Shame. This is gonna
Dia bisa
hurt.
meloloskan dengan mudah, guys. Cuma dia
Two guns, bitch.
acting aja ya. Oke.
And I thought it was
Diselamatkan
cats
oleh
who had nine
Batman.
lives.
Hampir aja itu.
How's it hanging, Harv? Come to Kitty. Anyone ever tell you that you're full of surprises?
I figured you could use my help, Selena.
You're right. I think I chipped a nail back there.
Funny.
So what do you need, Mr. Detective?
Protocol 10. What do you know, Selena?
Never heard of it.
That's not what I wanted to hear. What about Strange?
I don't trust him. He's been missing for years, and then is suddenly put in charge of running Arkham City. Rumor has it he's been working with Joker, planning something very special just for you. Maybe that's Protocol 10.
Oke, kita sedang dibujuk di luar. Sepertinya mau ditembak ya.
The ex-district attorney here said something. What the hell?
Untung aja diselamatkan oleh Batman. Atau jangan-jangan si Catwoman ini udah tahu, cuma dia acting aja nih. Kita nggak tahu ya.
I like it. You expecting a kiss?
Soalnya Catwoman itu kan orangnya juga agak misterius ya. Gak tahu dia berpihak kepada siapa sih sebenarnya.
9 lives, remember?
Karena dia bekerja untuk mendapatkan uang sebenarnya ya. Bisa saja dia melakukan hal-hal yang ada udang di balik batu lah istilahnya. Oke, sekarang kita tekan X mencari ini bekas tembakan tadi ya. Nah, lalu cari lagi ini. Oke, ini adalah gambaran tentang arah tembakannya dari mana. Berasal dari tempat ini ya. Jadi nanti kita akan ke sana, guys. Oke.
You should have finished me, Batman.
Do I look scared, Harvey?
You should. Then you'll...
Oke. Kita keluar ya.
Protocol 10 will commence in 10 hours.
Is he still in there? I think so. I can hear.
Oke, selanjutnya kita ke sini ya. Ke sebelah kiri. Berarti ke sini ya.
Keep that door shut, man. I don't want to go head to head with Batman. He didn't say it was Batman. Why the hell are we still here? We should run or something.
Oke.
You think? Don't be stupid. If you keep that door closed, he can. You cold? Of course I'm cold.
Nah, berarti di atas sana, guys. Tapi kita masuknya nggak lewat situ ya. Kita lewat bawah.
She's nice and warm in there. Take it easy, man. I'm just asking. Who's that
Oke.
lady? The one who got dragged
Tapi ada penjaga saya lihat tadi tuh.
No idea. Just one of the losers from the church.
It's back.
Bunch of do-gooders.
What's wrong? Too scared to fight.
Oke.
What's wrong? Chicken, come and fight me.
Oke. Nah, ini si Harley. Jangan berani kamu mau melawan Batman, Harley Quinn.
I think you should do what he says. It would be a shame to get blood all over my
Ini juga salah satu musuh kita ya, namanya Harley Quinn ya.
Think Batbrain like it? What am I saying? Of course you do. Who wouldn't? So anyway, here's the deal. Mr.
Dia selalu bekerja sama dengan Joker.
He's not feeling himself. Well, actually, he was earlier, but that's not what I meant. He's not doing so good, and that idiot doctor I sent from here didn't help. I've seen more smarts from these bozos.
Lagi diceramahin sama Harley.
I've got to run, boys. If he tries anything funny, kill him.
Bye. Okay.
Attacking armed thugs head-on is suicide. I need to disappear. Pick them off silently, one by one.
Don't you move.
Oke, kita gunakan smoke pellet. Nah,
They don't know where I am. Good. Let's keep it that
untuk
way. Time to
menghilangkan
survey the
jejak
room.
ya.
Plan out my tactics. 4 thugs, all armed, 2 hostages.
Oke,
This
kita
is
bisa
gonna be
lihat
easy.
dari balik tembok yang tersembunyi. Siapa-siapa saja di situ.
Batman, can you hear me? Try and get us and these people die.
Oke, kita terbang dulu. Oke.
You'll be okay. Wait here.
Oke, ada di belakang sana, guys.
What's happening?
He's got a hostage. I can glide to the scaffolding above him without being seen and take him down from there.
Answer me.
Oke,
You're safe. Stay quiet.
ada lagi. Sini ya. Nah. Oke.
The room is secure. You're safe now.
You save now.
Yo, Batman, thanks for the help.
Is she going to be all right?
I think so. She got hit in the head pretty hard when Harley Quinn came in. We should get a squad together. Hit back.
There's too many of them, officer. Stay here with the wounded.
What about Stacy? What the hell made that woman come in here and do all this? Why kill us?
Quinn's only priority is to protect Joker. She's dangerous.
So I see.
Oke. Sekarang kita ke atas ya. Kita mau ke atas ya. Jadi kita akan lewat sini, guys. Oke, ada tangga di sini. Nah, ini dia, guys. Senjata yang digunakan tadi yang hampir menewaskan si Catwoman ya. Kita scan dulu senjatanya.
Well, look who it is. I haven't seen you for... How long has it been? Let's see. There was an asylum, some monsters, and... Oh, that's right.
Jadi kita nggak bisa ke bawah ini.
Now, you probably don't remember it that way, but who cares? You just need to worry about the bombs. Hurry up now. Clock's ticking.
Oke. Nah, tempat ini mau diledakkan, guys. Hitung mundur waktunya. Oke. Nah, meledak.
Alfred, I've got a lock on the signal used to remotely control the sniper rifle. Joker's behind this.
Was there ever any doubt?
The radio signal should lead me right to him.
Good luck, sir.
Oke. Jadi kita akan ke sini ya. Tandai dulu.
Tiger 5 to command. We have a visual on the district. Tiger 5 to command. We have a.
He should have been back here hours ago. I don't know. They know the rules. I keep telling you guys, get back here before it gets dark. Maybe Two-Face's crew got him.
Batman! It's Batman!
Augmented. No, but what choice do we have? There's gotta be something else we can do. What?
Terbalik.
Screwed up with penguins, guys. I think they'll kill us if we go back there. And you saw what happened when Batman went in the court. Maybe Two-Face is still okay, you know? After Batman went in there. Did you see Batman come out? Yeah. Did you see Two-Face? No. Oh, so it's the Joker then. Maybe he's not so bad anymore.
Oke guys, jadi kita akan ke bawah ya. Kita akan bertarung lagi. Oke. Aduh. Oke, masih ada satu. Oke. Ada seseorang di sini.
Surprised to see me,
Nah,
Batman.
namanya Ben ya.
A little. Last time I saw you,
Ini
you
juga
wrapped
nanti
around
akan menjadi musuhnya si Batman, guys.
It would not kill me.
I wasn't trying to. I'm in no mood for a fight. What are you doing here?
Dr. Young's Titan formula. The Payaso managed to send some off Arkham Island before you stopped him.
How much more did Joker manage to get off the island?
Too much. That is why I am here.
I'll help you, but understand this. If you try anything, I'm taking you down too. We find Titan containers, we destroy them. Deal?
Of course. Each container has a radio beacon.
6 each?
Oke, jadi ceritanya kita bekerja sama dengan si si Ben ya. Mencari kotak-kotak seperti ini, guys. Namanya Titan Container. Nah, ini akan kita cari dan kita hancurkan. Oke. Kita keluar ya. Oke, kita upgrade dulu. Oke, selanjutnya kemana?
Augmented reality training online.
Kita ke ini dulu, mencari Titan Container ya. Oke.
Welcome, inmates.
You are now taking your first tentative steps towards a better world. A world of fun, mischief, and best of all, a world where the only person you need to answer to is yours truly.
Oke, masih cukup jauh.
Man, it's cold in here. Tell me about it. Do you remember winters being like this? You know, when you were a kid? Nah.
Listen up, dumbasses, and listen carefully.
Oke, tapi tempatnya dijaga, guys.
Mr. J is
Dijaga dengan orang-orang bersenjata di situ.
and the last thing he needs is any so-called superhero coming in here and
Kita coba lewat samping ya.
operation. That's where you come in, moron. You need to protect the steel mill. Protect it with your life. Because if you fail, I'll make sure your miserable lives don't mean zip. You get it? Good.
How the hell are we supposed to get in there? There's gotta be a way. How would Batman do it? Do I look like Batman? No, I mean, he could get in. How do you think he'd do it? He'd use his grapple thing. I guess he could go in through the main tower. It's Batman!
Oke. Oke. Oh, nggak bisa kita masuk, guys. Kalau kita sedang berhadapan dengan lawan ya. Oke, sekarang udah bisa.
I know what you guys are thinking.
Nah, ini dia, guys.
This Titan container is well protected.
Lalu kita pasang explosive gel untuk menghancurkan. Nah, sekarang udah berhasil ya. Oke. Selanjutnya,
I'm sick of standing out here. I'm gonna crack open the crate and drink the Titan myself. Really? Yeah. What's the worst that could happen?
Yeah, you get all big. Batman kicks your ass and you rot to death in a prison city.
You're a funny guy.
You'll be a dead one if you drink the Titan. We're paid to guard it, so we guard, okay?
Arkham City. Same old crap.
Batman, he's here!
nah ini dia, guys, yang satunya. Tapi dijaga oleh preman di sini. Oke. Oke. Sekarang udah 2 ya yang berhasil kita hancurkan. Nah, sekarang kita akan ke tanda ini ya.
Augmented reality training online.
Why is it always snowing in here? Is it because of Mr. Freeze?
Oke, tunggu dulu.
Maybe Mayor, but Shelby's still the same old a-hole.
kemana ya? Kesini.
Here at Joker Enterprises, I don't take the best. In fact, looking at some of these birds, I'm not even sure I took the worst. Most of them definitely did all the branches of the brain tree when they fell out of the sky. But you know what? I don't care.
Today we took him in the back room and burned off their skin.
Augmented reality training.
Oke, ada sedikit training ya. Oke, kita coba ya.
Sounds dangerous. You're just lucky you joined on a good day. I guess I am.
Augmented reality training complete.
Oke.
Augmented reality training online.
People out there must really like old Sharpie. Let him get away with this.
Tunggu dulu.
Augmented reality training activated.
Oke, nggak usah. Aku langsung ke sana ya.
Think I've ever been this cold, man. It's like being in a freaking refrigerator.
Shut up and keep your eyes open. If he gets in, Joker will put us on ice. You get that right?
Augmented reality training failed.
Oke. Oke, kita upgrade lagi.
His name is Hugo Strange. Why do they keep finding these creeps?
Alfred,
Oke.
I need to find a route into the Sionis steel mill.
Have you tried the front
Nanti kita akan masuk ke dalam sana ya, ke dalam corong itu ya.
It was obviously too easy. Let's see. If all the other access routes are locked down, the only way in would be... No, it's suicide.
The main chimney. Okay then.
If you're with me, the
Okay,
only
tunggu dulu.
things I demand, except for a murderous attitude and stunning good looks, is loyalty and obedience. If you're with me, I can promise you that I will be
Oke,
behind
langsung.
you all the way. Sometimes that might mean
Oke. Oke. Oke, sekarang kita gunakan ini bed claw untuk menarik ini ya.
The coal somehow.
Oke, agar apinya padam guys. Oke, sekarang udah bisa ya. Oh, hampir aja tadi. Kemana? Oke, sini ya. Oke. Nah, sini kita gunakan batarang.
Yeah, Joker wants you to think he's sick. Then wham! Gotcha! I don't know, man.
I
Oke.
promised you some entertainment.
Ada banyak orang di sini.
boy.
Ada si Harley di sini ya.
I did my best. should have tried harder. That useless quack has failed Mr. J. And you know what that means. Oh, I think we can do better. Help me!
Oh, kita lihat dulu. Oh, ada teman kita. Jadi kita harus menyelamatkan dia ya.
Mr. J wants this one to suffer a little longer. Right then, the rest of you idiots get out of here.
Oke, kita sedang berada di bawah ini, di dalam gorong-gorong.
He's gonna pay for screwing over Mr. J.
Oke. Kita sebenarnya mau kesini guys, cuma terhalang ya. Jadi kita cari dulu pemicunya ya. Nah ini dia. Oke. Sekarang udah bisa ya.
Yeah, she sounded pissed. How's he connected to Joker and all this mess?
How should I know? She's always freaking out these days. Joker really must be sick after all.
Oke, langsung aja.
Make sure this hurts you, Batman. What are you gonna do, Bat?
Oke.
What the hell are you doing here? You're supposed to be dead! Well, there's no way you're getting to Mr. J. We're safe and sound up here. You can just stay down there and burn!
Oke, jadi nanti kita akan ke atas guys. Cuma nggak bisa ya, nggak bisa langsung ke atas ya.
Joker's holed up in the manager's office in the steel mill.
I'm sure you'll find a way, sir.
Of course I will. Some of his goons dragged a doctor away. I'm going to find her first, then deal with Joker.
Oke, save the doctor. Oke, jadi kita akan selamatkan dokter. Kita lewat sini ya. Oke, jadi ini adalah jalan pintas guys. Soalnya ini guys. Aduh, ketahuan kita guys. Aduh.
What's wrong with you? You trying to kill a freaking elephant? It's Batman. He's here. He's gonna get us, man. Nah, you hit it. You must have. Go and look. I'll cover you.
Screw you, man.
Nggak apa-apa.
Cover you.
I'm the one who hit him. You go.
Okay, look. How about we both just stay here? Cover it together.
Yeah, okay. Good idea.
Langsung dua ya. Jadi kalau dia berdempetan gitu guys, bisa langsung di double kill ya. Kemana lagi? Oke, udah betul nih jalannya. Oke. Oke, double kill ya. Nah, dokternya ada di sana guys, lagi ditawan ya. Tapi ada banyak pria bersenjata di situ guys.
He's here. Don't let him get in. You take the door. I've got this way covered.
Oke.
I lost him. Shut it, Doc.
I hear any more of your
Here's the plan. Spread out. Find this
Understand?
Got it.
Sounds like someone's come to save you.
Please, help me!
Shut it, bitch. You're my ticket out of here.
Oke.
Got no way out here.
I can do this all night, bitch!
You don't want to let little old me down, do you, boys?
Time to die. I got him. He's over here. You in there? Got a present for you.
X.
Where are you? Have you found him?
Oke, belum bisa ya. Soalnya masih ada yang masih harus kita bunuh ini.
He's making you look stupid!
Oke, berhasil.
How do you think poor Mr. J is gonna get better if you idiots fail to stop the rodent?
Oke, berhasil.
Give me a second. What's wrong
Dr.
with these people?
Stacy Baker.
Crazy woman thinks I can fix the Joker.
What's wrong with him?
There's something in his blood, some kind of toxin. It's killing him. He blames something called Titan.
Titan?
Yeah. Do you know what he's talking about? He kept going on about his last laugh.
Doc. Isn't that information supposed to be confidential?
What's happening? How does she know what we're saying?
Get that door sealed up nice and tight, boys. We don't want that garment escaping, do we?
At least they won't be getting in. We're safe, right?
Oke.
Wait here, Doctor.
What the hell are you doing?
I need to get out of here. Someone needs to stop Joker.
Oke, kita sudah
Stay here. You'll be safe.
You sure?
mendapatkan senjata baru ya.
If you hear anyone coming, hide. I'll be back.
Namanya remote electrical charge. Oke. Senjata baru kita lagi nih. Oke. Kita ke sini guys. Nah, kita gunakan ini nomor 2 ya. Nomor 4. Kita tekan tombol tengahnya mouse ya. Nah,
And what? We just wait for the bat to try to break through the door and then we jump him?
That's the plan.
It's not a plan. It's a suicide note.
I'm not scared of him. The door's welded shut, and he's just some freak in a costume.
Okay, then you stand in front.
oke.
Why, you chicken?
Will you two just shut the hell up and get ready?
Tekan
I don't like this any more than you do.
4 berkali-kali ya.
Chance.
It's the freaking bat.
Oke.
Your mother won't recognize me.
Oke, udah beres. Nah, di sini nggak bisa terbuka ya. Oke.
This is locked.
Jadi kita lewat. Tunggu dulu. Oh, berarti kita kembali, guys. Nah.
Protocol 10 will commence in 9 hours.
Oke.
How did you get out of the smelting chamber, B-Man? What did you build? Tell me!
Oke.
Harley, get back in here. I think I'm dying.
Sekarang kita gunakan ini ya.
See what you've done? Scram, B-Man! Too slow, you big ugly bat!
Oke. Oke, berhasil. Sekarang udah bisa kita naik. Kita dihadang oleh raja pertama kita ini di game Batman Arkham City ya. Oke, kita lawan aja, gak usah takut. Oh, kena. Aduh, kena lagi, guys.
You're not going to reach the
Awas.
Joker. I will stop you. Hold still while I pound your
Awas.
to the dirt. I'll kill you, Batman.
Awas, awas. Aduh.
You're not going to reach the Joker. I will stop you.
Tunggu dulu.
What are you gonna do, Batman? I will need to smear the cross this room.
Oh, is all that blood getting in your eyes, B-Man?
Oke, kita gunakan ini. Oke. Mantap. Oke.
You!
Get out of my way, Quinn.
Leave us alone, B-Man! Just leave me with him.
I said move!
This is all your fault! You've hounded him for years!
Katanya si Joker udah mati, guys. Udah nggak ada lagi detak jantungnya. Tapi ini cuma sandiwara si Harley aja. Nah, dijebak ya si Batman. Ternyata yang duduk di kursi roda itu cuma patung, guys. Aslinya bersembunyi. Wow. Oh.
Sounds like the detective will be busy with the Joker for a while. Good. Gives this kitten some time to play. So what next? Help tall, brooding,
Oke,
and
jadi
handsome.
kita akan kembali ke petualangannya si
Professor
Catwoman
Strange
ini.
is locked up in that vault of
Jadi
his.
Catwoman juga
I know.
akan
Difficult
menjalankan
choice,
misi.
right? What will it be? Find Croc and have him rip a hole into the vault? Ask Penguin for some explosives? Not my style. I always prefer a woman's touch in these situations.
Oke, ada
Stay
petunjuk
where
di
you
situ.
are, Ivy. I'm coming.
Ada banyak akar dan dedaunan. Jadi petunjuk ini akan mengarah ke tempatnya si Poison Ivy ya.
No way I can face Ivy without my things. I'd be naked without them.
Oke, jadi mungkin begitu dulu guys review singkat game Batman Arkham City kali ini. Nanti kita lanjut lagi di part berikutnya. Jangan lupa like, komen, dan tentunya subscribe ya guys. Makasih sudah menonton.